Common courtesy. Common courtesy is not so common when you begin to look through the eyes of Source. When you begin to establish your state of mind and your state of being into the state of mind and the state of being of Source, when you begin to mesh and merge your vibration, your energy signature with the energy signature of Source, common courtesy kind of flies out the window. For there's no such thing as common courtesy. Common courtesy is a misunderstanding. It's a falsity. It's a misinforming. Because as a creator, there is only you. There is only you that is established centrally and permanently in the center of your reality, of your universe. There is no wife, there's no children, no parents, there's no neighbors. There's only you. So to apply a common courtesy to something or someone outside of you is in effect denying, potentially denying that which you are, that which you intend and you desire. Anytime you make an action, a behavior in regards to someone or something outside of you that denies or goes against that which you are or that which you desire, you are making a mistake. You are misinterpreting the knowledge. You are acting out of misunderstanding. There is a falsity at play when you believe yourself to be morally right, or you believe yourself to be good, when you are denying yourself for another, for anything or anyone outside of you. Any idea that says if you serve or support someone or something outside of you in denial of yourself, these are falsities. These are mistakes. And your emotions tell you so. If you feel as though you should be kind, you should be nice, you should allow this person to go before you, you should allow someone to win over you, and you feel that emotional discord on the inside, that means that you are denying your truth for something outside of you. And this is a mistake. This is misunderstanding at play. This is a misinterpretation of the truth, or the absence of understanding of the truth at play. At every moment, you must be aligned vibrationally with your inner being, with your true nature. And in so doing, you will find yourself existing and expressing the highest of energies. You will find that your energy is pure. You will find that your energies are more centralized, more centered, more focused, they are cleaner, they are pure, they are more narrow, like a laser. And you will find that you begin to materialize your desires with greater speed when you are more finely tuned to that which you are. But to do that, you must maintain a focus inward on that which you must be in order to manifest your desires in thought, gaining more clarity in the imaging of that which you desire, in your feeling, in your energy signature, being cleaner in your energy signature, aligning yourself with source energy first, which in turn aligns you, places you in the higher energies, which automatically aligns you with your desires. And all of this requires an inward focus, a knowing of the truth. And the truth requires you to know and understand you, to align with your inner being, and to displace, to disconnect mentally and emotionally from that which is outside of you. For all experience, all happenings, all forms that are manifest outside of you are history. They're past manifestations. Even if they look like they are continuing, they are repeating. They're not continuing, they are repeating based on your attention, your focus, and your energy alignment. The harmony in energies that you have created and connected to the experience. You must focus inward. You must align your energies and express them from the inside out towards your intentions, with your desires. And in so doing, you will manifest an experience. You will manifest a life. You will manifest a world around you in your verse, your universe that is beautiful, that is full of well-being, that is full of wealth and abundance, that is full of success, that is full of love, that is full of opportunities to be joyful and excited. All of these things are there. They're all there. But you must take your focus and your attention off of the outside world. You must take your focus and attention off of the things that are manifesting around you, because anything that is or has manifest is the past. It is history. It has moved itself outside of the creative process. You must be permanently engaged in the creative process. And the creative process is at work within you. Just turn your attention inwardly. Celebrate that which is becoming. Celebrate that which you are becoming as a result of engagement, intentional engagement in the process. Celebrate a manifestation when it reaches the density level to where you're able to perceive it with your physical senses, and then move to the next. Move to the next. Continue your expansion. Continue your evolution. The evolution of your relationships, the evolution of your ability to lead, the evolution of your wealth and abundance experience, the evolution of your wellness, the evolution of your experience of unity, the evolution of your experience of love. All that you can fathom, all that you can imagine is an expression. And to celebrate that which you are becoming as a result of the practice and play to manifest every next level is a sign of knowing, is a sign of certainty that the manifestations are present, they do exist, and they will be materialized. Take your eyes off of the manifestations and focus on that which you are becoming in the process. Celebrate it, honor it, be excited about it. Allow the exhilaration to course through you, and then place your desires inside of that frequency, inside of that signature that you are expressing. Make that signature your constant. Reach for the highest of frequencies, the highest of tones you can fathom, born of source energy. And you will find that all of your desires fall somewhere in that range. you will find that in your alignment with source energy, you are by default aligned with your desires. There is such a thin line between the idea of harmonizing yourself with your desires and aligning yourself with source energy. One, you find yourself at odds with resistance. And in one, there is no resistance. There is only what is. There is only the cultivating of what is. But in the cultivating of what is, you cross the threshold of the energy expression and harmony of all of your desires. This is where the 2.0 comes in our Abraham transmissions, our Abraham conversations that we offer you. This is where the 2.0 comes in, where we are no longer focused on the manifestation. We are focused on the uncovering of your God nature, the connecting with source that, again, by default, as a byproduct, places you in harmony and alignment vibrationally with all of your desires. And you have lessened and released any potential for resistance because you are not concerned or thinking about the signature of any specific desire. Your focus is on aligning with source, increasing your frequency, increasing your vibration as per given by your imagination from your inner being to continue your aligning with source, and simply place your desires inside of that field. Continue to gain clarity. Continue to increase your clarity, the clarity of your desires, and place them inside your harmony, your alignment with source energy. And in so doing, the alignment is there. The energy frequency is there that births worlds, that will birth your desire in its due time. There's so much there. There's so much there. But it's simple. The creative process is simple. The work, the practice, the play is overcoming the resistance, overcoming those ideas within you that separate you from your desires, that cause you to think in ways and feel in ways that separate you from your desires. And these ideas have been developed over time. You have been taught this state of mind. You have been taught this state of being from those who were unaware, from those who did not know, from those who were misinformed, and therefore they misinformed you. They taught you misalignment. They taught you to focus on resistance. They taught you to place your attention and your focus on that which you do not desire, and to build defenses against that which you do not desire. Perfectly engaging the creative process, continually creating that which you do not want. It's time to shift your focus. It's time to know who and what you are, a creator, a pure and perfect part of source energy, and begin to engage the creative process, creating the verse that you desire, manifesting the universe that you desire, the reality, the experience that you desire in every phase and every facet. And we are here to support you in that. We honor this opportunity to share with you from our non-physical perspective. We celebrate the opportunity to uplift, to expand, and to evolve you into your truth. We are thankful for the vessel that is allowing us to communicate to you and to share with you in this manner now. We are excited about the expansion that is occurring. We are excited about the empowerment that is occurring. We are excited for each of you who are hearing these words and the the expansion, the evolution that is happening as a result of your aligning and experiencing our energy, our vibration, and any impact that the words might have, that you might be transformed into a powerful creator, manifesting the life that you desire and being a model for anyone else whose light might be ignited by your flames. Thank you. Celebrate you. We honor you. We are here for you always in love.